you're messing with my feelings and my heart. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Tei Jae. I am here with Nadula here, and I am here with their 5x5 body wave wig. This is a HD lace closure. She is 28 inches and she's 250% in density. Sorry y'all, I had to go off the top of the dome with that information because I was like, wait, what is it? But anyway, y'all, this is what the closure looks like. As you guys can see, they did give us a guideline for baby hairs. I'm just going throughout the closure just to part it in various areas so you guys can see what she is truly giving. One thing I love about this lace in particular is that the knots are super duper small. So as you can see, bleaching is not necessary because the knots are super duper small. So they did send over some lace samples so you guys can get a feel of the difference. I forgot to actually record this part, so I just put the lace strips on my arm. But the HD lace is the one that I am going for today. So this is what she is giving us. The only thing that I've done so far to this unit is actually pluck it. Okay, that's it. I didn't wash it. I didn't condition it. This is her fresh out of the box. Okay, look at those body waves. Okay, they are giving. Okay. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and straighten up this part. But did they give us a part or I made a part? No, they didn't give us a part. I made a part. So you can decide whether you want a left part or right part. All of that is your choice. So anyway, off camera, I did go in and tint the lace as well. And now I'm just putting some wax all throughout the hair because, like I said, this unit is 250 in density. Okay, so she is thick. So if you don't want to pluck the hair, you can always use wax to give it an appearance of, you know, it being thinner than what it actually is. So now I'm just going in with my hot comb. I do have it on the highest heating setting, and we're gonna go in and hot comb that baby. Okay, the goal is to have her laid AF. So now I'm just going in with my Shea Moisture. I think this is the bonding glue. I will have the actual name of this product in the description section below. I seen it on Amazon. I was like, hey, let me try it. Let me see what it gives. So that's what we're going to be using today. Right now, as you guys can see, I am cutting off the lace that is not needed. So now I'm just going to slide the closure wig back just a tad bit behind my hairline, and we're just going to apply 2 thin layers of this bonding glue. Now it takes actually 1 to 2 minutes for this product to fully dry, so do be mindful of that. Make sure you do have your blow dryer on a cool heating setting and keep tapping the surface lightly just to make sure it's not over drying and drying all the way down. You want to make sure the product is tacky before actually securing down your lace. Now this is my first time actually using this product, but so far so good. I actually bought the lace bonding remover spray that came with it as well. I did end up using it because by the end of the day I could just lift up the wig. So yeah, I was outside during this day, so it didn't lift too bad besides the ends of the closure, but by the end of the night I was able just to pull it right off. So maybe I needed more layers, but like I said, I only did 2. So as you guys can see, it is tacky, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pull it forward. You still see some shiny area. That means I didn't pull it all the way up, so I'm just gonna take it and just shift it just a little bit to make sure that the wig is lined up exactly where I put the bonding glue. So once I have everything lined up, I'm just going to go back in with my comb and we're going to press down into the lace just to make sure everything is adhered. Now, I don't feel like this glue in particular resembles like bonding glue, maybe because I didn't use enough. But to me, it's just giving me like the got to be glue in the black bottle, the gel. So I did let this sit for about 10 minutes and this is what she is giving us. Okay, I did use my little elastic band. This band actually came in the box that Nadula sent over, so yeah, I just used that one. But look at her. Okay, HD all day every day, period. So y'all know I am nothing without my baby hair, so we're just gonna go in and do a couple of swoops on the sides just to give the unit a little bit more personality. But like I said, I did go in and pluck the unit and look at it, y'all. It looks just like scalp. I'm gonna go ahead and cut them off. And then I'm gonna take my midi flat iron, y'all. I got her today. And then I'm just gonna do two curls underneath. So I'm gonna do one on this side and one on the other side. And then I'm just gonna go in with some glue. I forgot what this glue is. It's my boho glue. So I'm just gonna go in and swoop these baby hairs. Now I would say that using this technique, just doing like under curls to form your baby hairs, is just an easier and simpler technique to get your baby hairs so you won't be struggling. I found out this process, in my personal opinion, was very quick and I didn't have to, you know, do so much. So if you haven't tried this method out before, you should. I'm telling you, it's gonna change the game. So now I'm just going into the define the part. I'm using some cream foundation to just, you know, make the part pop. I kind of widened it too much doing this part, so I do go in with a Sharpie just to, you know, fix it and make it look like a part and not like I'm parting the Red Sea, okay? I was deciding here to see if I wanted to leave the curls in, because at first I was just going to put the body waves back in the top so it would be more defined and leave the bottom half. But then I just was like, no, we're just gonna go in with a curling iron and we're gonna do some loose curls. I guess that's what you can, like, loose beach wave curls, I guess. So this iron in particular is not a curling wand, it's just a curling iron, but I'll have it listed below. I forgot where I got it from, but hopefully I'll have it tagged down there below so you guys can get it if you're interested in it. So this is pretty much the end of the video. Like I said, didn't wash and condition it. I started straight out the box. Like I said, these curls were super duper cute. They were super loose and flowy. By the end of the day, though, the curls did drop. Like I said, I was outside. It was humid. all those other things contributed to it. So yeah, I would like to play around with this unit a little bit more in the future, so I will do that. Like I said, I have no complaints. This is my first install, so I didn't have any problems with it tangling up on me or any shedding, only when I went in to pluck it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's install. It was super quick, super easy, definitely beginner friendly. And yeah, all the information in regards to this unit is listed down in the description section below. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and until my next one, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.